Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to extract zip files in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open Files app and click on browse, and here you can see all these location and open a location where you can save your zip file. And here you can see zip file. If you want to extract your zip file, then simply single click on zip file. Here you can see my zip file will be extract. If it doesn't work, then simply go back to your home screen and open App Store and then click on search, and here you can search zip unzip. Here you can install any zip unzip files, and after that open files again and then press and hold on zip file, and here you can see the option share. Click on share, and here you can see the unzip, and here you can extract your zip file. So this is the way to extract your zip file in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.